Hi everyone, today we're going to look at the Productivity 1000 Series PLC data logger, and this has to be one of the easiest data logging type operations you can come up with, and it saves it to a CSV or comma separated value display. So up on my screen here you'll see that we have our sequencer instruction that we talked about last time, and I've also added another routine called the memory reject. Here we can see that we have our portable media, which is our micro SD card, and we set an output that indicates that it is actually ready to receive. We also put switch number 1. When it goes on, it will actually set an output. Again, it's a system bit that tells you can actually remove that media file. So if we actually look at the PLC itself, what you'll see is I'm connected to my software through my Ethernet right here. There is my USB or micro USB socket right here, and we're currently running the program. And this is the bit that's on currently, and that's what we can see on our screen, and everything is okay to read and write to that micro USB drive. So if we go back to our sequencer, and what we can do is we can turn on the sequencer itself, and it will actually start doing the sequence that we programmed. And if we actually look under the application tools, we'll have a data logger, and the data logger brings up our data logger table, and in this here you can see that we've set it for scheduled data logging. We said every minute, so every minute's going to go out and grab all of the tags that we specify and then save it into the CSV file. So if we look over here, we call this removable media file name, or call it ACC, and it will automatically add the underscore with the year, month, day, hour, minute, and second, and call it the CSV extension. And we're going to schedule the interval to create a new CSV file every hour. But you can also see we can do it once a day, once a week, once a month. We also selected the log system errors and events, and what we're going to do is call that the PLC underscore error. So if things like if the PLC starts, PLC stops, or there's an error on the PLC, it will log it into this file. Now we look at our tag names, and under our tag names we have our sequencer step number, sequencer cycle, and the sequencer bit output that we can actually log. In fact, we can log up to 64 different tag names into that CSV file. So we'll just close that down. So we're actually logging it right now. You see that we have it all set up. And if we look back at the PLC, we'll just turn that off. And what we'll do is actually turn this back in our off mode. So now our PLC has stopped, and again when I hit the stop it actually indicates that we have written something into that SD card, or the micro SD card. And in order to take that card out, we hit it and it kind of pops out. You see the light comes off. We'll take that out, and what we'll do is actually connect it to our computer, and we'll see exactly what's on that drive. So here is the file that we just logged from the micro USB drive, and if I look at it, you'll see that I have under the logs file I have 3 files because we've had this running for a little bit now. And if we look at the last one here, we will just open with our Excel, and there is our information that we just logged, and those being the last 2 ones that we just did right here. So again, date, times automatically added into our comma separated value. And if we look back and we see the PLC error, and what we'll do is just look at that through Notepad. You can see my run switch was at 7:51, and my stop switch was at 9:40, which I just turned off. So very simple, very easy to save information right to my micro USB, right onto the unit itself. Okay. Now, all the links and documentation can be found on our website at accautomation.ca. If you like this video and like to see more, there are 3 ways in which you can help us out. You can give us a thumbs up so other people can find this information. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also go to ACC Automation and subscribe to our website. When you do, a notification will be given to you every time we publish new content to the site. You'll also get 2 free ebooks on numbering systems and robust data logging. And the third thing to do to help us out is to tell a friend or colleague about the site. Alright, that's it for now. Thanks for watching.